Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet M15w series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet M15w support. And then once you've searched for that, there should be an HP support link that appears on the Google search results, HP LaserJet Pro M15W printer software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page here, you want to scroll down underneath driver product installation software, and you want to select the HP LaserJet Pro M15/M17W printer full software solution. Go ahead and select the download button. And then go ahead and open up that file and just give it a moment to extract. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just follow through with the on-screen setup wizard of making sure your printer is connected and ready to be synced up to your computer. And that's pretty much all you have to do at this point. So again, just follow along with the on-screen prompts on the wizard and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.